sur ce que vous voulez eh bien, nettoyer. D'accord? Donc, alors, évidemment, donc, euh, pour tout ce qui est ammonia, ça va être du NH4+, NH4+, H-. Donc vous voyez, c'est les ions H- qui vont faire le... Et pour l'acide chlorhydrique, attendez. L'acide chlorhydrique, ça va faire... Voilà. Voilà, c'est aussi du H-. Donc vous voyez, en gros, bon, c'est le H- qui va fonctionner. D'accord? Donc en gros, il faut regarder quel est... attendez, c'est le Cl- ou l'H-? euh, non, je pense que c'est l'ion H- qui est... En tout cas, pour calculer le pK, c'est avec H-. Alors, peut-être que... Ah ouais, mais peut-être qu'ils ont construit ça pour qu'on pense que c'est l'H- alors que c'est pas l'H-. Euh, attendez. Parce que le groupe HO dans l'alcool, je crois que c'est ça qui tue. Donc, pour moi, c'est HO. C'est HO le problème. Donc, vous voyez, so it's HO molecule, so it's HO, the HO group, you see, that's killing. So why is the HO group killing? You see? So we are going to study all of that throughout the project also. Ok? Donc on va étudier tout ça au travers du projet. D'accord? Donc là vous voyez, en gros bon, les ions HO, c'est ça en fait qui fait le côté corrosif. D'accord? Donc qui fait le côté destructeur de, euh, de ces solutions. D'accord? Donc on va étudier exactement pourquoi. Et en gros, bon, ça va pas s'arrêter là. Vous voyez, en gros, on va créer une sorte d'IA ou de méthode pour pouvoir créer, justement, générer des molécules. D'accord? Comme en gros, euh, bah, les industriels peuvent le faire. Vous voyez? Et pour éviter de vous mettre dans le noir. D'accord? Aujourd'hui, on vous met dans le noir, vous voyez, il n'y a jamais le détail et comment c'est fait. Euh, donc, ça va vous permettre de mieux comprendre tout ça. Donc voilà. Alors ça, c'est des choses qui ont été faites il y a énormément de temps, hein. Je pense, bon, je pense tout ça, ça a été développé il y a longtemps, hein. Je pense, allez, ouais, 1300. Bon là, ils disent 1300. Après, ça peut être des trucs qui ont été reconstruits aussi, mais euh, en vrai, je pense que c'était à ces alentours-là quand même. Euh, ouais, autour de 1300. Là, ils disent au niveau des Arabes 1200. Bon, je sais pas exactement, mais voilà. Apparemment, les sels d'ammoniac, oui, ça a été très très tôt. Ça m'étonne pas du tout. Euh, donc voilà. Et par contre, vous voyez, réaliser que c'était le groupe OH qui fait ce truc-là, ça, ça a été beaucoup beaucoup plus tard. Vous voyez. Euh, euh, donc voilà, je pense que ça c'est, allez, ça a été. Euh, Enfin, en tout cas, ouais, peut-être qu'ils le savaient, vous voyez, mais qu'ils l'ont caché, vous voyez, à cause du côté religieux, et que en gros, c'est que récemment qu'on a essayé de le dire à tout le monde. Euh, Peut-être qu'ils changent aussi l'histoire, vous voyez, pour dire que c'est eux qui l'ont inventé en premier. Ça souvent ils font ça, d'accord? So maybe it's this also. Maybe it's they are changing history to make people believe that they they basically did that. Okay. But anyway. it makes sense that those things it makes sense that those things are a little bit old though. Ça fait du sens que ça c'est assez vieux ces trucs là. Ok. So, le blanc. Le blanc. So, who is le blanc? French chemist and surgeon. Wow, so you see, le blanc personnage in League of Legends, I think is inspired from this guy. Donc le blanc et vous voyez, le blanc c'est une femme dans League of Legends. En gros, vous voyez, les Américains et les Français qui participent à League of Legends, vous voyez, en gros, disent que les Français là, ces Français là, c'est des femmes. D'accord. Donc voilà, je pense que ça les amuse, mais bon, voilà. Wow. Okay, he committed suicide, you see. So, okay. Okay, maybe he did not have a wife, that's why they call him a woman. No, he married. He married in 1776. Okay, so you get it. He married on the Independence Day. Okay. So maybe he was more on the American side, and they fucking made him suicidal. Okay. So 2 years later, the plant was confiscated by French Revolution. But maybe. So wanted the production of much needed sodium carbonate from inexpensive. By 1991, Nicolas Leblanc had succeeded in producing sodium carbonate from salt by a two-step process. Sodium chloride is mixed with concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay. So you see, so it seems like Leblanc like kind of contributed a lot. Not a lot. He made apparently one at least. So obviously, I think he made a lot of them. Okay. Basically, this is the only one that's documented. You see, but I think he made a lot of them. Obviously, this is how they proceed. They always proceed like that. He got married. He got married during Independence Day in the US. So obviously, this is he was kind of from the. Okay, 2 years later, the plant was confiscated by the French Revolutionary Government. So, are they modifying history though? This is possible. So you see, I don't know exactly because a lot of things have been changed. You see, so maybe obviously by reading this you're like, wow, the French are really the bad guys. You see, but they always do that. Okay, they always do that. So I don't know. They always make it look like the other people are, you see, the terrible people. Okay. So, oh no. In 1872, Napoleon returned the plant to him, but by then Leblanc could not afford to run it. Oh, that's why the ultimate of Leblanc is coming back. Ici, vous voyez, c'est pour ça que l'ultime de Leblanc, en gros, so the ultimate power of Leblanc is to go forward, make damage, and go backward like this. So, l'ultime de Leblanc, c'est aller de l'avant, faire des dégâts et revenir en arrière. Et donc, en gros, Napoléon, vous voyez là, il lui a littéralement rendu l'usine. Et donc, c'est pour ça que, vous voyez, le blanc revient. Et ensuite, il s'est suicidé en 1906. Donc, apparemment, donc à mon avis, vous voyez, à mon avis, qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? C'est que Napoléon lui a rendu. Et, vous voyez, il a été, comme il avait une usine, il a été harcelé. Vous voyez, il a été harcelé. 4 ans plus tard, il s'est suicidé. Vous voyez, voilà. Voilà. Et donc ils disent que c'est une femme. D'accord? Ah, he was a surgeon, no? Yes, but the people. You see. Is this the French government controlling my MacBook or not? That would be weird though, I think. So the problem started in the US anyway. So you see, I think it's more Christian people. So they want to make me against Christian people, but as I've shown you, I want to improve things, guys. Donc, comme je vous ai montré, moi je veux améliorer les choses, d'accord? Donc à mon avis, ouais, ils veulent me mettre contre les chrétiens, mais bon, moi j'essaye d'améliorer les choses. So, you see, oh, that's crazy. You see how they fucking harassed him. He committed suicide by a gunshot to the head. Did he really have a gun? You see. So maybe they killed him to get his factory. More likely. You see, that's crazy. And then they say he's a woman. So Napoleon returned the plant, but basically Napoleon did not protect him, and so he got shot. He got shot by you see how crazy. In 1907, Losch, Wilson and Bell opened the first alkali works in England that used the Leblanc process. Okay, so basically, that's weird that Napoleon did not protect him, though. So I think they made a deal with Napoleon, you see. They returned his plant to him, then arranged an assassination or harassed him a lot, you see, and uh, and then in England they fucking stole his process, you see, et en Angleterre ils ont volé son process, vous voyez, donc voilà, purée. Et bah la vérité, j'utiliserai le blanc sur League of Legends. Juste. Alors, par contre, ils ont fait de Leblanc une femme. Ça c'est des bâtards complets. Parce que Leblanc, là, honnêtement, il a taffé de fou. Il a fait une usine. Euh, En vrai, ça se fait pas du tout. Euh, euh, so he was able to get a factory running, and they made him a woman in and Losh, Wilson and Bell in League of Legends. So was the leading Northeast England manufacturing company founded in 1907. So you see the shit, the fucking bullshit. So so I've used LeBlanc a bit in League of Legends. So you see, donc vous voyez, ceux qui créent les personnages dans League of Legends, en gros, regardent un peu l'histoire. Et à mon avis, vous voyez, ils ont des informations un peu inside aussi sur la personnalité de ces gens-là. Vous voyez? So I think they might have inside information about how those guys basically worked and were, and their personalities. I think so. So donc vous voyez, je pense vraiment qu'ils ont ils ont des informations sur leur personnalité. Et, euh, et donc, euh, et donc ouais, c'est comme ça qu'ils font les personnages dans League of Legends, enfin une partie des personnages. Et oui, c'est sûr que le blanc dans League of Legends, c'est sûr que c'est par rapport à ça, évidemment. Ouais, donc ouais, ils ont fait de Leblanc, vous voyez, une sorte de femme, une sorcière, vous voyez, une sorcière et ouais, c'est fou quand même. Bon après il a bon, 63, ça fait quand même jeune pour quelqu'un qui a quand même pas mal contribué à l'époque, sachant que c'était au moment de la Révolution. Donc c'est pas ouais. Okay, he worked for the Duke of Orleans. Okay. So there might be a story with the Duke, you see. So the Duke fucking so he worked for the Duke, and was he working for the Duke when he ran the So no, I don't think it's the Duke. I don't think it's because of the Duke back, but um, yes, it's because of like English people. They fucking killed him. So either by harassment, you see, and he really committed suicide, or they fucking killed him and made it look like a suicide. You see, but so Napoleon at the time, so he was Napoleon was working with the religious. So you see, I think Napoleon kind of fuck him up, huh? Honestly. Because Napoleon was working with the religious people at the time. But by then, Leblanc could not afford to run it. You see how fucking how they fucking and apparently because he was like a witch, you see. Honestly, going to honor Leblanc also. Leblanc, you see, Leblanc was a victim. He was a victim of religious people. And so in French, you see her. C'est un vieillard désespéré. And after that, they fucking took his process. So you see, that's honestly that's their mode of action. You see, I now recognize their mode of action. You see, so it's the same mode of action that they did for ages. Okay, so they made Leblanc develop that, working for the Duke, and you see, fuck. You see what people did to engineers even then. Yeah. But they were recognized though. They were recognized. Like, and I think so you see, they fucking killed engineers and recognized them, but at some point they did not recognize the engineers anymore so engineers were forgotten. You see? Crazy, huh? We're going to so obviously this is one of the process that's known, but I think Leblanc must have worked on a lot of other things. À mon avis, Leblanc a travaillé sur énormément plus de choses, évidemment. So there was Caesar, Nicolas Louis. Okay, and after him, a drawer, you see. So to bury his family. You see how crazy. honestly, for the chemists, for the good guys, for the engineers, we have to get that going, honestly. Pour tous ces gens-là, vous voyez, il faut mettre ça en place, hein, parce que vous imaginez ce qu'ils ont fait à énormément de bonnes personnes. And so the English, so basically the religious people and exploited his process, killed him, and people, other people, you see, and Jean d'Arcy. So maybe Jean d'Arcy has nothing to do with that, you see. But basically they just took his process, you see, and here we go. So basically, you see, they want you. So when you see this story, they want you to basically attack Jean d'Arcy, you see, but it's not necessarily Jean d'Arcy, you see. It could be Jean d'Arcy, but it might not be Jean d'Arcy. Donc vous voyez, en gros, apparemment Jean d'Arcy c'est celui qui a ensuite repris la manufacture de soude après Leblanc, donc qui a été tué. De toute façon, soit s'il s'est suicidé, c'est qu'il a été harcelé. Sinon, si c'est un faux suicide, bah, il a été tué. Vous voyez. Donc, en gros, vous voyez, Jean d'Arcy, il a récupéré le process et il a fait son truc, mais vous voyez, ça c'était. Regardez, Jean d'Arcy, c'était. On va faire une petite analyse. Hein. Regardez. Ah, il est au Collège de France. Ah ouais. En 74, quand. Ah oui, pardon. Attendez. Ah non, Jean d'Arcy, il meurt en 1801. Et donc, son fils. Attendez. Et vous voyez, en fait, ils utilisent. Vous voyez, et c'est là où on voit, ils utilisent les mêmes patterns. So they use the same patterns, guys. So we can obviously like learn from what they do. You see? So 66, yeah, so might have what the fuck? So you see, this is like the Christian thing. They fucking. So you see, it's not even a Christian guy. But Christians use this shit. You see how crazy. You see, motherfucker. And he died at 66, so it makes sense. You see, I didn't know about the story. Is there is there more things about LeBlanc or not? Oh, honestly, guys, we have to not remake the like what they did at the time. You see, on doit pas refaire ce qu'ils ont fait à ce moment-là, quoi. C'est n'importe quoi. Purée. And it's in arts and culture on Google. What? Is this a joke? Monsieur. What the fuck? So, basically, how can we prevent all of this shit? Okay? So, obviously, we are going to build so, obviously, the clear way is really, really nice to prevent all of this. But maybe we can add some additional techniques. So, has LeBlanc been invented though? Have they invented LeBlanc? You see? No, but it's still possible. You see that they... Because sometimes they do that. So there's a street. No, I mean it looks like LeBlanc really existed. There's his parents. Un paysagiste et lithographe. I think he must have existed. So you see the fucking... So obviously, you see, LeBlanc was on the side of the US, I think. I think this is it, you see. And they fucking did this kind of thing. And so you see, Now you see, it's weird because so so they use the same fucking techniques as Christians. So maybe LeBlanc was more on the side of people like Democrats today. You see? So he was also a yes. He was a surgeon, so maybe mutilating people. So I don't know if at the time they were mutilating people though. But you see, why not make everything clear? You see? En tant que contrôleur des travaux de Nicolas Leblanc. Ouais. So, I don't think he was mutilating people. I don't know. Because you see sometimes surgeon basically fucking up people. So I think it depends on the surgeon, I guess. You see, I guess it depends on the surgeon. So I don't know about Nicola, but he got fucked up though. He got fucked up by people. And they made him a witch and something like that. So you see, he must wanted to do good, obviously. Qui invite au sacrifice généreux de tout secret au profit de la patrie, et il autorise ainsi la publication du procédé. D'accord. Et indemnisé de façon dérisoire. La mort du duc d'Orléans, ah vous voyez, marque la fermeture et le dépeçage de l'usine. Et à terme la ruine de Leblanc. Ouais, voilà, donc, you see, so the Duke was really helping Leblanc. And then Leblanc got fucked up. So, but maybe, so he was a surgeon for the Duke. So maybe he was fucking up people, you see, for the Duke. But you see, anyway, you see, there's a lot of wrong in there. Basically, you see, donc vous voyez, il y a beaucoup de choses qui sont balées. En gros, vous voyez déjà, au moment où le duc meurt, vous voyez, donc ils rendent le procédé public et ils ferment l'usine. Donc là, c'est une connerie. Parce que Leblanc a quand même participé énormément à tout ça. Vous voyez. Donc ce truc-là, c'est une connerie. Ensuite, so I think what's really wrong there is that once the Duke died, they made his invention in public, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but basically he wasn't paid for that, and also they closed his factory, you see. So you see, that's fucked up. That's completely fucked up. And after, he killed himself, so that's fucked up too. But basically, maybe for the Duke, LeBlanc did wrong things though, you see, and that's also fucked up, you see. I don't know, but maybe, okay. I'm not sure, but maybe, okay, because I see some doctors try to do wrong to me, so that's why I think maybe depend on the doctor, you see. It depends a lot on the doctor, I think. So I don't know what LeBlanc did as a doctor, so you see. But you see, they make him a witch, so if they make him a witch, I think he did nothing wrong, because usually they portray people like that when they do nothing wrong, you see. I think so. So you see, he was called LeBlanc also. So LeBlanc means, you see, the white guy. So like the guy that's really good, you see. And name meant a lot of things at the time, more than now, obviously. So yeah, I think he did nothing wrong. That's fucked up. You see how fucked up this is. So how do we prevent people from doing this shit? So first, you see, they made him his son, somebody that draws, you see, a cartoonist. So that's kind of fucked up. So from a chemist to someone that's drawing, because obviously then his legacy was dead, I guess. He had one, you see, Henriette, and did she have you see, she did not have so this was the end of LeBlanc, you see. So we had one son that made one woman, you see, and that was the end of LeBlanc. So you see how fucked up this was. And maybe, so let me look at LeBlanc. He was working for the Duke. So you see, he was not so he was not a religious guy at all, you see. And that's why they made him a witch also, because witches were not religious. And then Jean d'Arcy, so the one that took his thing, like Jean-Pierre Joseph, so vous voyez, il n'était pas religieux, donc ils ont fait de lui une sorcière dans League of Legends. Donc ça a du sens que il n'était pas du tout religieux, comme les sorcières n'étaient pas religieuses, d'accord. Et en gros, il s'appelle Leblanc. Vous voyez, Leblanc, normalement, c'est quelqu'un qui ne fait pas de mal. Vous voyez, voilà. And so, did reach his wait. For me, it was not doing bad, and so and after that, so this guy Jean-Pierre Joseph Darcet. So was he close to? So he was close to the state, I guess. He got on the Père Lachaise, so you see, he was a Christian guy. Obviously, as they usually do. Like a noble guy. More like a noble guy, you see. A noble guy, so on the side of the Christians. Il est baptisé. Okay. You got it? We have to end this craziness, hein, guys. On doit arrêter ce truc-là. D'accord? So you see what they were doing? Fucking stealing and harassing Leblanc. Fucking killing his family. You see? And basically, Christians, Christians fucking stealing all he did and lying on Wikipedia, you see. So I hope that you liked this analysis. Donc j'ai fini mon analyse là-dessus, je suis presque sûr de cette analyse. En gros, Leblanc a complètement été eh bien, il s'est fait avoir par les chrétiens, comme d'habitude, enfin leur mode d'action habituel. And a Christian guy so took his work and obviously maybe added a lot of good things to his work probably, but what they did to him was really fucked up. So is this in English also? Does this have more information or not? Married, a lot of children, compared to Leblanc, which has only one children. Yes, it makes sense. It makes a lot of sense right now. So yeah, they fucked him up. They fucked him up like crazy. Honestly, Leblanc, for people like you, my guy. Leblanc, honnêtement, pour les gens comme toi. So I think he got. Got also. You see, yes, and this guy got. You see, fucked up by Christians. Honestly, bon, les gens, pour des gens comme le blanc, honnêtement, franchement. It's, it's, so when you see, when I read a shit like that, so obviously, I think, so now that I'm remembering, I think I made this analysis before, and it's, so, so obviously, I did not realize all of this, you see, and I did not do as good as analysis as I do now, you see. So I think I watched LeBlanc, I said, wow, LeBlanc got fucked up, and I was like, okay, you see, I did not get everything. So yeah, honestly, for guys like LeBlanc. Pour des gens comme Leblanc, honnêtement. Et vous voyez, il y en a encore plein, des gens comme Leblanc. Il y en a peut-être même plus qu'avant. Vous voyez. Peut-être. There's still, I think, a lot of people like Leblanc. You see. Il y a encore énormément de gens qui se font exploiter comme Leblanc, les gens. A lot of people are exploited like Leblanc. You see, apparently they tried to... Fucking hell. Oh, they tried to modify this birth date. You see. Motherfuckers. You see. Oh no, wait. Wait, that's weird because at the BNF, so on the public side, on modern books, it's in 1755, and in religious history thing, it's 1742. Issoudun, Ivoire-le-Pré. Wait. Usually it's the religious people that try to change things. Ok. Annuler. Pourquoi annuler? So, let me try to... Ce livre est la reproduction fidèle d'une œuvre publiée en 1920. So, it's the Christians, guys. It's just that they use public resource to do all this shit. Okay? But I don't know which one is true, though. 6 December 1742 or 1755, I don't know. But anyway, does not really matter. I don't want to go into this. But basically, they get hold of the government, obviously. So here we go. Ok. Donc ils sont dans le gouvernement, les gens. Voilà. So they get you see. So honestly, guys, for guys like Leblanc, pour les gens comme Leblanc, les gens, ouais, faut être chaud. Ok.